Hi, boys and girls. It's Laura the Teach. Our letter today is the letter O. Now look at your mouth when you say the letter O in a mirror. O. You make an O with your mouth. In sign language, it's very easy to make the letter O. We take our hand, take all of our fingers together, and put them with our thumb. And look it, we made an eye hole. The letter O. Oh, like our mouth is saying, oh. So, two sounds to this vowel, a short O, which says ah, ah, and a long O that says oh. Short O, I think of an opera singer with big fat lips, and she's putting on lipstick and she says ah for opera. And a word like odd for sure O. Now, what does odd mean? Odd means it's unusual, it's peculiar. It's not something that you see all the time. Long O, says its own name, like okay, okay, I'm doing well. If we look at the various fonts that can be used to write the letter O, you'll see that they look the same pretty much any way we write it. Some may be slanted or skinnier, some might be shorter and fatter, but O doesn't really change no matter the style we use. Now, animals to help us with the short O sound. Remember, ah, Miss Opera, okay? She says ah. So we have an ocelot, we have an ostrich, we have an otter. Those all say ah, short O. Our long O animals, we have an orangutan, orangutan, and a bird called an oriole, oriole. So, to review, short O, think of Miss Opera putting on her lipstick and saying, ah. And when we say O, our mouth makes an O shape. So short O, ah, ah, ah. And long O says its own name, oh.